Hey, Moose, where are we going? We're gonna go see her. Okay. This is now Sunday, October 13th. I believe she was put in around the 1st, so it's been like 2 weeks since she's been in the hospital. So she's not coming home soon, so I think this is important for her to be able to see her pup, just for well-being and, my God, for the dog's well-being. Moose is gonna love this. Come on, Dan. There he is.
Rosie, come here.
Look at his tail.
That's worthy. Where have you been, Mommy?
I can't believe
Oh,
it.
baby.
I can't believe it. Oh, where have you been?
So tell me how you're feeling now.
I'm so happy to see Lucy and my son and Barbie. It was a beautiful afternoon.
Hey, Barb, what do you think of this lady?
I think she's wonderful. I love her. I'm going to keep her for sure.
I love you too, Barbie doll.
She's a bit of a challenge, but she's a good
I woke her up this morning.
Yeah, you woke up at what time, Mom?
7:30 in the
And why
morning.
did you call her?
I wanted a sweatshirt.
She was cold.
And I haven't put it on yet.
Okay. All right, we'll see you guys. This is not going to be fun. He's going to scream. Oh, look, he's not. No. Oh, no. All right, see you guys.
Lots of kisses. I love it. I love it.
Dear Mom, I can't believe the last time I saw you was on April 1st. That was such a crazy day. I had no idea that it would be the very last time I would see your beautiful face. I made it as soon as I could, and I believe that you waited for me until you took your final breath. I'm actually shocked they even allowed us in to see you during this crazy quarantine, but they did, and I was so thankful. I sat beside you and held your hand. You were so peaceful as I stroked your hair. I have never experienced such incredible sadness. I cried so hard it was hard to breathe, especially through the face mask. I will always think of you every single day, and when April 1st comes around, I will stop and I will pause as I think about our fun times. Have I told you lately that you were the most amazing mom and dad that could have ever blessed a child? You were incredible. Not only funny, but you were giving, understanding, loving, and an amazing cook of enchilada pies. I loved all your casseroles. I just wish I would have appreciated your crock-pot cooking back then. Have you been seeing all the sympathy cards and warm wishes you've been receiving? It is incredible, but understandable knowing how much people adored you. I think the most common thing I've been told was that nobody ever saw you in a bad mood. You always had a smile on your face. Did you hear the call I had in the morning on April 1st with the heart doctor? He told me that he knew who you were from previous stays and that everybody loved you and were looking after you. He said you have had a smile on your face the entire day. You missed Moose more than anything after you moved out of your home. He loved you so much and was by your side every single day. You two were hysterical, and you always said that he was the best man you ever had in your life. I will vouch for that. I hope you are with Grandma, Grandpa, and Uncle Ken too. I cannot wait to see and reunite with everyone when that time comes. So I'm going to drive to California with your ashes and we'll see the family. It will be a trip with you and me exploring all the states. You always wanted to do that. What an adventure we will have. I will always be your baby boy, and I will miss you every single day. I love you with all my heart. Love, your youngest son, Glenn.
This morning I miss you. I feel it in every part of my bones. Something hit me when I opened my eyes. I was feeling so empty inside. New York looks different without you. I find that all that I want to do is close my eyes, breathe and try to feel close to you. New York looks different without you. I've been walking around thinking about this distance and how I am missing, but I feel so close to you. Taking my time, letting this river gush and be wild. It's all moving, and I need just a minute to be doing nothing. New York looks different without you. I find that all that I want to do is close my eyes, breathe and try to feel close to you. New York looks different without you. I've been walking around thinking about this distance and how I am missing, but I feel so close to you. It's all moving, and I need just a minute to be doing nothing. New York looks different without you. I find that all that I want to do is close my eyes, breathe and try to feel close to you. New York looks different without you. I've been walking around thinking about this distance and how I am missing, but I feel so close to you. Without you.
So what are you doing right now?
I'm gonna go on a vacation.
Going to Disneyland.
This morning I miss you. I feel it in every part of my bones.